Hey there, fellow history enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the life and legacy of one of the most influential figures in the history of industrialization, the man who revolutionized the automotive industry and changed the way we live, Henry Ford. Henry Ford was born on July 30, 1863, in Greenfield Township, Michigan. Growing up on a farm, Ford developed a passion for machinery and a keen interest in understanding how things worked. Little did the world know that this curious farm boy would go on to reshape the landscape of modern transportation. Ford's journey in the automotive world began long before he founded the Ford Motor Company. In 1896, he built his first automobile, the quadricycle, a rudimentary vehicle powered by a gasoline engine. This early experience fueled Ford's determination to make automobiles more accessible to the general public. Fast forward to June 16, 1903, the birth of the Ford Motor Company. Ford, along with several other investors, founded what would become one of the most iconic and enduring companies in the world. The company's initial goal was to produce affordable cars for the average American. One of the key contributions of Henry Ford to industrial manufacturing was the development of the assembly line technique. Before Ford's innovation, cars were largely handcrafted, making them expensive and time-consuming to produce. Ford's assembly line revolutionized the process, allowing for mass production at an unprecedented scale. The assembly line method involved breaking down the production process into smaller, more manageable tasks. This not only increased efficiency but also significantly reduced production costs. By streamlining the manufacturing process, Ford was able to produce cars at a rate that was previously unimaginable. This breakthrough made automobiles more affordable for the middle class. Now, let's talk about the car that truly put Ford on the map, the Model T. Introduced in 1908, the Model T was a game-changer. It was reliable, easy to maintain, and, most importantly, affordable. Henry Ford's vision of putting America on wheels became a reality as the Model T became the first mass-produced automobile, selling over 15 million units. Ford's impact extended beyond the assembly line. In 1914, he shocked the business world by doubling his workers' wages to $5 a day. This move not only improved the standard of living for Ford's employees but also set a new precedent for fair wages in the industrial sector. As Ford's success grew, so did its global footprint. The company expanded internationally, establishing production plants in Europe and other parts of the world. Ford's influence was now felt on a global scale, shaping the automotive industry and economies worldwide. However, Ford's journey wasn't without its challenges and controversies. His anti-Semitic views and involvement in controversial business practices, such as his resistance to labor unions, have left a stain on his legacy. It's crucial to acknowledge these aspects while also recognizing the immense impact of his innovations. Despite the controversies, there's no denying the lasting impact of Henry Ford's contributions. His innovations not only transformed the automotive industry but also had a ripple effect on society as a whole. The accessibility of automobiles reshaped transportation, influencing urban development, and paving the way for a more interconnected world. And there you have it, the story of Henry Ford, a visionary whose ingenuity and determination changed the course of history. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep exploring the stories that shaped our world. Thanks for watching.